we've done 4 that we call sprinkles that we've just kind of freshened up because they're going to be at the tail end. So the ones that have had the complete renovations, because we got on a scale of tear down, rebuild, or just renovate, or we've just kind of modified them a little bit to give us some time and space. It's about a 15 in total. So the properties, the real estate boxes you in and some, and we've got some 2,000 square foot stores that we've renovated. They're doing spectacularly well. I mean, we just finished one just last month. It was shut down for 3 months for a total renovation because we did a tank farm and underground tanks and everything, right. So the whole store was disrupted. It got back to its base numbers within days, and now we're growing. We're getting in these remodels, or we got some of our legacy sites only had 1 bathroom, so they get 2, and they're fully renovated. Some sites they didn't have a beer cave, and they get a beer cave. Some sites where we have our fresh food preparation at versus where the transaction counters are, we've brought those together. So each store gets very strategic elements that are all identical, that the fresh food side of our categories are growing leaps and bounds as our percentage of total mix. Like I said, when we opened, what got us here is tobacco was 50-60% of our mix. That was over the last 20 years. And where will the fresh food category settle into that? And that's just what we're calling fresh food, is just the stuff we prepare ourselves. And that percentage is growing 3, 4, 5% and continuing to grow right now at a fast rate.